Hi guys, while picking up a high-end gaming PC is certainly one way to secure yourself the best possible performance in your video games, grabbing the best gaming console can be a more cost-efficient way to make sure you're not missing out on the latest and greatest games. So, let's get started. Number 5, S10 Video Handheld, Game Console, Gaming Console. This gaming console is here with the 71% price off. Now you can get it at around $8. Are you ready to embark on a nostalgic journey through the world of classic gaming? Look no further than the S10 handheld game console. Packed with 520 exciting games and featuring a vibrant 2.4-inch display, this portable gaming device is the perfect companion for gamers of all ages. Let's dive into what makes the S10 handheld game console a must-have for retro gaming enthusiasts and a delightful gift for children. Retro gaming bliss. The S10 handheld game console brings together a vast collection of 520 classic games, spanning various genres and eras. From beloved arcade classics like Pac-Man and Tetris to timeless platformers like Super Mario and Sonic the Hedgehog, there's no shortage of gaming adventures to be had. Portable entertainment on the go. Measuring just 2.4 inches, the S10 handheld game console is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for gaming on the go. Whether you're commuting to work, waiting for an appointment, or embarking on a road trip, simply slip the S10 into your pocket or bag and take your gaming adventures with you wherever you roam. Easy connectivity and versatility. The S10 handheld game console offers versatile connectivity options, including AV output for connecting to your TV or monitor. Simply plug the console into your television and enjoy your favorite games on the big screen, perfect for multiplayer gaming sessions with friends and family. Gifts for children. With its colorful design, intuitive controls, and extensive game library, the S10 handheld game console makes an excellent gift for children. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or special occasion, children will love exploring the world of retro gaming and discovering classic titles from yesteryears. Number 4, Kinhank Super Console X5 Pro Gaming Console. This gaming console is here with the 49% price off. Now you can get it at around $169. Retro gaming enthusiasts rejoice. The Kinhank Super Console X5 Pro brings the nostalgia of classic gaming consoles to the modern era, offering an extensive library of over 16,000 games across various platforms, including PS2, PS1, SS, DC, and N64. With its massive 4TB HDD and plug-and-play functionality, this console provides endless hours of gaming fun for players of all ages. Let's delve into what makes the Kinhank Super Console X5 Pro a must-have for retro gaming enthusiasts. Massive game library. The standout feature of the Kinhank Super Console X5 Pro is its vast game library, boasting over 16,000 games from iconic retro gaming systems. Whether you're a fan of classic RPGs, platformers, shooters, or fighting games, there's something for everyone to enjoy. From beloved titles like Super Mario 64 and Sonic Adventure to cult classics like Final Fantasy VII and Metal Gear Solid, the Kinhank Super Console X5 Pro brings together a treasure trove of gaming nostalgia in one convenient package. Seamless plug-and-play experience. Gone are the days of complicated setup processes and finicky emulators. The Kinhank Super Console X5 Pro offers a seamless plug-and-play experience, allowing players to dive straight into their favorite games with ease. Simply connect the console to your TV or monitor, power it on, and you're ready to start gaming. High-quality gaming experience. Despite its focus on retro gaming, the Kinhank Super Console X5 Pro delivers a high-quality gaming experience thanks to its powerful hardware and advanced emulation capabilities. With support for upscaling and enhanced graphics options, games look better than ever before, breathing new life into classic titles. The next is Number 3, Beelink GT King Retro Video Game Gaming Console. This gaming console is here with the 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $145. The Beelink GT King Retro Video Game Consoles, powered by the advanced Amlogic S922X chipset and featuring Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, offer a modern twist on classic gaming experiences. With support for a wide range of retro gaming systems, including PSP, PS1, SS, DC, N64, and MAME, along with an extensive library of over 110,000 games across 3 systems, this console is a treasure trove for retro gaming enthusiasts. Let's explore what sets the Beelink GT King retro video game consoles apart and why they're a must-have for gamers seeking to relive the golden age of gaming. Powerful performance with Anlogic S922X. At the heart of the Beelink GT King retro video game consoles lies the formidable Anlogic S922X chipset, renowned for its exceptional performance and efficiency. With its quad-core Cortex-A73 and dual-core Cortex-A53 processors, coupled with the ARM Mali G52MP6 GPU, this chipset delivers smooth and responsive gameplay across a wide range of retro gaming systems. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for enhanced gaming. Keeping pace with modern gaming technology, the Beelink GT King retro video game consoles feature Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, offering blazing fast wireless performance for online multiplayer gaming and seamless downloads. With support for the latest Wi-Fi standards, gamers can enjoy stable and low-latency connections, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted gameplay sessions. Extensive library of retro games. One of the standout features of the Beelink GT King retro video game consoles is its vast library of over 110,000 games spanning 3 systems, PSP, PS1, and various retro gaming systems supported by MAME emulation. From timeless classics to hidden gems, the library caters to every gaming preference and nostalgia-driven desire. The next is Number 2, AAA Large Game, Consoles 12 TB, Gaming Console. This gaming console is here with the 53% price off. Now you can get it at around $186. In the ever-evolving landscape of gaming, enthusiasts are constantly seeking new ways to enhance their experience, from immersive gameplay to expansive libraries of titles. The AAA large game consoles, equipped with a colossal 12 TB HDD and boasting a collection of 400 AAA PC games, delivers on this quest for gaming excellence. Let's dive into what sets this gaming solution apart and how it revolutionizes the way we play. Unprecedented storage capacity. At the core of the AAA large game consoles lies its massive 12 TB HDD, providing an unprecedented amount of storage space for games, media, and more. With such vast storage capacity, gamers can say goodbye to the hassle of managing limited storage and instead focus on expanding their gaming library without compromise. Curated collection of AAA PC games. With 400 AAA PC games pre-installed, the AAA large game consoles offer a curated collection that spans genres, generations, and player preferences. From epic open-world adventures to heart-pounding action titles and everything in between, this comprehensive library ensures that every gamer finds something to love. Seamless plug-and-play functionality. Gone are the days of complex setup processes and tedious installations. The AAA large game consoles feature plug-and-play functionality, allowing users to simply connect the external hard drive to their Windows PC or laptop and dive straight into gaming bliss. PlayNight system integration, enhancing the gaming experience further. The AAA large game consoles come equipped with the PlayNight system, a versatile and feature-rich gaming platform that serves as the central hub for accessing and organizing games. With PlayNight, users can browse through their extensive library, create custom collections, track gameplay statistics, and seamlessly launch games with just a few clicks. The next is Number 1, Super Console X5, Pro Video Game, Gaming Console. This gaming console is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $200. The Super Console X5 Pro is more than just a gaming console, it's a gateway to a world of nostalgia, entertainment, and endless possibilities. The Super Console X5 Pro embraces this sentiment wholeheartedly, offering a gateway to the past while incorporating modern technology to enhance the gaming experience. Let's delve into the features and capabilities of this remarkable gaming console and explore how it redefines the way we play. A treasure trove of games. The Super Console X5 Pro is a veritable treasure trove for gaming enthusiasts, boasting a built-in library of over 10,000 games spanning various platforms and generations. From beloved classics to hidden gems, this console covers a wide spectrum of gaming experiences, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy. Powered by Android 12. At the heart of the Super Console X5 Pro lies the powerful Android 12 operating system, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. This modern operating system not only ensures smooth navigation and operation but also opens up a world of possibilities for customization and expansion. Smart TV box integration. With support for popular streaming services and platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video, the console seamlessly transitions from gaming to entertainment, offering a comprehensive home entertainment solution in a single device. User-friendly interface. Navigating through the vast library of games and features on the Super Console X5 Pro is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. The console's menu system is designed for easy navigation, allowing users to browse through games, emulators, and apps effortlessly. So this is the best option for you to buy.